Welcome to our vegan gravy recipe tutorial. Today, we're going to create a rich and flavorful vegan gravy that's perfect for your plant-based meals. Let's get started. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Step 1. Prepare your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Step 2. Sauté the aromatics. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté until they become fragrant and slightly translucent. Step 3. Create a roux. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour over the sautéed aromatics. Stir continuously to create a smooth roux. Let it cook for a couple of minutes to remove the raw flour taste. Step 4. Add vegetable broth. Gradually pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth while whisking vigorously to avoid lumps. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens. Step 5. Flavor and season. Stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Allow the gravy to simmer for a few minutes to meld the flavors. Step 6. Simmer and thicken. Let the gravy simmer and thicken to your desired consistency. If it becomes too thick, you can add a bit more vegetable broth. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Pour your luscious vegan gravy into a serving bowl. Step 8. Dive in. Serve your vegan gravy over mashed potatoes, stuffing, roasted vegetables, or any dish you desire. And there you have it, a delicious, plant-based gravy that's rich, savory, and perfect for your vegan feasts. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.